Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently did a poll on my Instagram where I asked you guys if you wanted to see an office-friendly makeup look, and almost 97% of you said hell yeah. So here I am back with an office-friendly makeup tutorial. Let's just jump right into it. Now the look that I'm sharing with you guys is very true to how I do my makeup in reality. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. So first things first, I like to do my brows. For my brows, I like to use the Anastasia brow definer. There are several brow pencils available in the market, but if you want something that will help you do your brows the quickest, then it's this. It's the Anastasia brow definer, and I'm using it in the shade medium brown. Well, now it's time for the base. This step is completely optional. If you want, you can just put a concealer, a face powder and get going, but I personally like to have like a light layer of foundation. For my base, I'm using the Dior Face and Body foundation. This is from the Dior Backstage collection. I'm just gonna take some of it at the back of my hand. Okay, our foundation is blended. Now it's time for the concealer. You know the basics. And for concealer today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. The concealer is blended, and now it's time to add some bronze to the face. So I will be using Charlotte Tilbury's Contour Wand in the shade medium to dark. Okay, so all our liquid products are in. Now it's time to set the face. For setting my face, just for the under eyes, I will be using my Mercier translucent powder. I'm not really baking, I'm just packing the product into my skin. And now to set the rest of the face, I will be using my MAC Studio Fix. Now it's time for the eyes, and you do not need like a gazillion products. For this, all you need is a bronzer, any bronzer that you have, Maybelline, butter bronzer, Benefit, any brand that you like, and grab any fluffy blending brush like this one. I'm using the Sigma E40. I'm just gonna swoop my brush into the bronzer like this. Tap off any excess, and now we're going to place this color into our crease section. So windshield wiper and circular. So now we're just going to stamp this shade in our outer corner, and using very soft circular motions and windshield wiper motions, we're gonna blend it. And you kind of want to blend it inwards from here on. And I'm going in small circular motions. Earlier we were going in bigger circular motions. Now it's nice and small. So for my next step, you can grab a face powder, just any powder that you like. I'm going in with the shade Bay, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. We're gonna lift our eyebrow, and we're gonna pat it. This will also help open up our eyes a little bit. So our eye makeup is almost done. I'm just gonna go behind the camera, quickly finish this eye, and see you guys in a bit. Now it's time to add the bronzer in the places where we put our cream bronzer. So I'm just gonna dab, dab, dab. And now I'm gonna go in with the color Cocoa using this stiff eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to place this color near my lower waterline. And I'm not going to go all the way in, I'm only going to keep it till the mid of my eye, because I want my eyes to look a little like wide and open. Now as you guys can see, this is a really harsh line and we don't want that, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my pencil brush. This is this Morphe pencil brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it. Now using that same bronzer shade, I'm just going to add a little bit more depth and dimension to my lower lash line. So our lower lashes are done. Now it's time to add the eyeliner. See, I go for a lot of pitches and meetings and whatnot. And the one thing that bothers me so much when I look at anyone's makeup is the fact that they draw these really thick lines, you know, on the upper waterline, which is not required and does not give you a nice look at all. Like, there are rarely any eye shapes that look nice with that really thick eyeliner that you guys keep putting on your eyes. That's not the way to go about it. You gotta have a very thin layer of liner in your inner corner and in the middle of your eyelid, and then as you go out, it can get thicker. And for mascara today, I'm using the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. And now it's time for the blush, and for blush I'm using Milani's Luminoso blush. This is a slightly peach toned blush. And now I'm just gonna spritz some setting spray all over my face. And now for highlight, I'm just gonna grab my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter. Using a small pencil brush, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight to my brow, because it gives your brows a very lifted look. My inner corner. And for my lips today, I'm gonna use this whole concoction that I have because I just love the entire color combo. So number one, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. And now we're gonna go in with the shade Close from the brand Kylie Cosmetics. And now, just to add a little bit more color, I'm gonna go in with NYX Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Sao Paulo. And just to set my brows in place, I will be using the Anastasia Brow Gel again in the shade Medium Brown. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.